This is the water, guys. I'm gonna put some water. Oh no! Anong nangyari? Oops! Sorry. Hey! Let's go! What is a party, people? Whoa! Me and my... Oh, wala kang jowa. So, right now guys, I'm vlogging because gagawa naman kami ng panibagong video. Yung tinatawag namin magluluto ng gulay. Yeah, so dapat kasi guys, ngayon dapat tayo kumain ng gulay kasi pandemya laban sa COVID-19. So yeah, I'll be cooking vegetable right now, and what are we waiting for? Let's go! So right now guys, I'll be cooking vegetable, and let's start cooking. And I'm gonna get some oil, yeah, and I'll put there. So yeah, and put some oyster sauce, yeah. Put some oyster sauce in the oh yeah. Put some oyster sauce, and I'm gonna cut this oyster sauce and put this one. Yeah. Need to put this yeah. So, yes, you can see guys. I'm putting oyster sauce right now. Yeah. And next, I'm gonna put some water. Yeah, water. This is the water, guys. I'm gonna put some water. Oh no! Anong nangyari? Oops! Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. If the water is boiling, yeah, I'm gonna close that one. And yeah, pause. So I'm gonna wait for a while, for a minute pala, that water is boiling, and yeah.
Few moments later.
So guys, right now the
Boiling.
water is boiling, so I'm gonna put some Ajinomoto. 1, 2, 3, and also
The salt.
the salt.
Like this.
Salt, yeah. So yeah, and I'm gonna close this one. Close. Go. So right now guys, I'll be putting this one sayote.
Bisaya lagi ano.
So I'm gonna close that one and wait for a while.
Mana guys.
Kung maluluto na ba yung ano natin, yung sayote at saka yung kalabasa. Yeah. So guys, I think my sayote and kalabasa is cooked now. So let's taste if this one is cooked.
Kanang gamay.
So hot.
You taste?
So guys, it's cooked already now.
What's up, party guys?
And now I'm gonna put this one, yeah, the pechay, ano ba yan, atsal, and yeah, 2 only. Yes, water. Pero video din ha. And last but not the least, I'm gonna
Okay
put,
guys, hindi po yun coronavirus.
so yeah, I'm gonna put this also. This is the one ingredients that our vegetables taste so yummy, yeah. So I'm gonna cut this off, yeah. Cut this off. So yeah. Okay, you.
Sulap nan ha.
Sarap yan ah. So yeah, I'm done. And I'm gonna close this for a while.
And see you in a safe touch.
And see you in a safe montage. For now guys, let's go for the pre-taste. So yeah. So yeah, right now they are tasting my vegetable. If it's gonna... Lo, you need more, it's yummy.
No, it's not really. I not like.
Ah, you don't like atsal, yeah. So, what can you say about my vegetable?
It's good.
Thank you very much. Yeah, perfect. So you, what can you say about my? Oh, don't. No, no.
I like this one.
Ah, yummy. Hey, sit down properly. Yeah. So yeah, guys. My vegetable is perfect daw. Sabi ng pinsan ko, it thankful. So I'm so thankful that they said that. And also to my little cousin, she say it's yummy, but she didn't like the atsal because she think that it's spicy daw. And yeah, that's all I can say. Yeah. So I'm thankful that I know how to cook right now, vegetable. And yeah, that's all for the vlog, and I hope you like my video, and I hope din na may natutunan din kayo. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell for the shout out. And shout out to Iron Ismalada, also to my beloved friends. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Peace.
Bravo, bravo.